Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch orientation on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button or tap on the screen. Now let's open the settings. To do it, press the crown button to open the app menu. Here find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, let's select general and then select orientation. And in this menu we can select on which wrist we're gonna wear our watch, left or right, by tapping on it like this. And you can scroll down and also change the position of the digital crown. So for example, like if I select right hand and digital crown on left, the screen is gonna rotate itself like this. And to bring it back, so let's select left and right to rotate it back. You can also use the phone app to do it. So let's bring our phone right here, open the watch app on our phone. Here scroll down, select general, then tap on watch orientation, and again you can select the wrist, for example right, and where the digital crown should be, on which side, left or right side. And the screen will change accordingly to your settings. And that's how you change the watch orientation on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.